Did you know that something as simple as a morning drink could turn from a healthy ritual into a hidden danger for your brain and body, especially after the age of 60? Millions of older adults around the world start their day the same way, with a warm glass of lemon water, believing it's the ultimate key to cleansing, energy, and longevity. But what if I told you that combining lemon with certain everyday foods could do the exact opposite? It could silently affect your digestion, your medications, and even your brain health. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Emily Carter, a nutrition and healthy aging specialist. For over 25 years, I've been helping adults over 60 maintain sharp memory, strong bones, and balanced digestion using simple, science-based lifestyle habits. And in today's video, I'm going to reveal why lemon water, yes, that innocent-looking morning habit, can be both a hero and a hidden threat depending on what you mix it with. We'll look at 3 specific food combinations you should never make with lemon, what they do to your body, and how to enjoy lemon safely to boost your health instead of harming it. Stay with me until the end, because I'll also share the real story of Robert and Helen, a couple in their 70s who made one of these mistakes for years without realizing it, until their symptoms finally expose the truth. Why lemon became a miracle drink. Over the past decade, lemon water has been crowned the king of morning health routines. It's supposed to alkalize your body, flush toxins, jumpstart your metabolism, and support your immune system. And truthfully, there's a lot of good science behind it. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, flavonoids, and citric acid, all powerful compounds that help detoxify your liver, stimulate digestive enzymes, and neutralize free radicals that accelerate aging. That's why it's especially popular among people over 60. Digestion tends to slow down, metabolism drops, and immunity weakens with age. A glass of warm lemon water seems like an easy, natural fix. But here's what few people know. Lemon's benefits only work when used the right way. When mixed with the wrong foods or taken too close to certain medications, it can upset your stomach, reduce nutrient absorption, and in some cases, interfere with your heart and brain function. The hidden problem. After 60, your digestive system becomes more sensitive. The lining of your stomach thins, enzyme production slows, and your kidneys have to work harder to process acids and minerals. That means what once felt harmless, like coffee or dairy after lemon, can now throw your whole system off balance. So let's go through the 3 biggest mistakes most people over 60 make with lemon every morning. Mistake number 1, lemon and coffee. Picture this: you wake up, drink your warm lemon water, and then, 10 minutes later, you pour yourself a steaming cup of coffee. It's a sacred ritual for millions. But the combination? It's a digestive disaster. Here's why. Lemon is acidic. Coffee is also acidic and loaded with caffeine, which stimulates the stomach to produce even more acid. When you combine the two, it's like pouring gasoline on a fire inside your digestive tract. For younger adults, the body often compensates. But after 60, this can trigger heartburn, reflux, stomach irritation, and even adrenal stress. That jittery, anxious feeling you get for no reason. Coffee also cancels out many of lemon's benefits. Vitamin C and iron absorption drop dramatically when caffeine is present in your bloodstream. So instead of energizing your cells, you're flushing the nutrients away. Robert, a 71-year-old retired teacher, drank lemon water and coffee back-to-back for years. He thought his morning nausea and pressure spikes were just part of aging. But when he switched the order, drinking coffee at least an hour later, his acid reflux vanished in less than a week. Rule: wait at least 45 to 60 minutes between lemon water and your first cup of coffee. Give your body time to absorb the lemon compounds before introducing caffeine. Mistake number 2, lemon and dairy. Now, this one surprises almost everyone. You might think lemon and milk don't mix in your stomach, but they absolutely do. When lemon citric acid meets milk proteins, it immediately curdles them, forming clumps that slow digestion and irritate your intestines. For adults over 60, whose digestive enzymes, especially lactase, are already lower. This can lead to bloating, cramps, gas, and even mild diarrhea. Helen, a 68-year-old from Florida, used to drink lemon water first thing in the morning, followed by her daily coffee with milk. Within months, she started experiencing bloating and pressure in her abdomen. She thought it was stress, but once she began spacing her lemon and dairy by 2 hours, her digestion improved dramatically. The problem isn't lemon or milk individually, it's the timing. Rule: if you plan to have milk, yogurt, or any dairy products in the morning, wait at least 90 minutes to 2 hours after drinking lemon water. Mistake number 3: lemon and medications. This is the most serious mistake of all. Many adults over 60 take morning medications for blood pressure, cholesterol, or heart conditions, and lemon can interfere with several of them. The reason? Compounds in lemon, especially in the peel and juice, affect how your liver metabolizes drugs. They can increase the absorption of some medications, making their effects dangerously strong, or decrease it, making them less effective. For example, lemon can amplify the effects of ACE inhibitors and ARBs, which are used for blood pressure, causing sudden dizziness or fainting. It can slow the metabolism of statins, cholesterol drugs, raising the risk of muscle pain and liver strain. It may alter the action of anticoagulants, blood thinners, potentially affecting clotting time. What makes it tricky is that these effects build up gradually. You may not notice anything for weeks until you suddenly feel fatigued, lightheaded, or weak. Rule: if you take medication in the morning, do not drink lemon water within 2 hours of your pills. Always separate them and check with your doctor if lemon is safe with your prescription. So, what's really happening inside your body? When lemon is mixed incorrectly, with coffee, dairy, or medications, your system goes into confusion mode. The stomach produces excess acid, enzymes are disrupted, and your liver has to work overtime to filter everything. The result? Slower digestion. Nutrient loss, blood pressure fluctuations, increased fatigue and irritability. In the long term, this stress can contribute to inflammation, which is now known to accelerate brain aging and cognitive decline. That's why many experts call these combinations a silent threat. They don't cause instant damage, but they gradually wear you down. The right way to use lemon water. After 60, don't worry. You don't have to give up lemon water. You just have to use it smartly. Here's how to make lemon your friend again. Start simple. Squeeze half a lemon into 8 ounces, about 250 milliliters of warm water, around body temperature, between 98 and 104 degrees. Drink it on an empty stomach right after waking up. Don't add honey, sugar, or salt at first. Let your digestive system wake up naturally. Wait at least 30-45 minutes before eating or drinking anything else. Optional upgrades: add a pinch of turmeric and black pepper for inflammation support. Stir in raw honey if you want immune support and throat comfort. Add a slice of fresh ginger to improve circulation and energy. Use a glass or stainless steel straw to protect your tooth enamel from the acid. These small adjustments make a big difference, especially as your metabolism and gut sensitivity change with age. Real results, real stories. Robert and Helen's experience isn't unique. Once they learned how to time their lemon water correctly, separating it from coffee, milk, and medication, their digestion improved, their energy stabilized, and even their sleep got better. Robert says, "I used to think my morning dizziness was from aging. Turns out it was my routine." Helen adds, "It wasn't the lemon that hurt me, it was the way I used it." Their story is a perfect reminder. Health isn't just what you eat, it's how and when you eat it. Key takeaways. Lemon water can strengthen immunity, protect your liver, and support brain health if used properly. Mixing lemon with coffee, dairy, or medication too close together can trigger acidity, interfere with absorption, and stress your nervous system. Timing is everything, Wait 45 to 60 minutes before coffee. Wait 90, 120 minutes before milk or dairy. Wait 2 hours before medications. The bottom line: at 60 and beyond, your body becomes more delicate, but also more responsive to the right habits. Used correctly, lemon water is one of the simplest tools for better digestion, stronger immunity, and clearer thinking. Used carelessly, it can become a source of silent irritation and imbalance. So tomorrow morning, when you reach for that lemon, take a moment to remember this video. Give your body time to do what it's designed to do: process, absorb, and protect. And if you found this helpful, hit the like button, share it with someone over 60 who loves their lemon water, and don't forget to subscribe, because small changes can make the biggest difference in your health journey. Final note: healthy aging isn't about restriction, it's about awareness. So keep your morning lemon. Just make sure it's not fighting against you.